Let me show the testing of EB1200 shortwave amplifier with the touch screen and MRFX1K80 LD MOS transistor inside. The drain voltage is supplied by flat pack 2, 53 volts. It has now a couple of dummy loads, 50 and 25 ohms. Reference power meter is a Bird 43 with element for 2500 watts on shortwave bands, 2.5 kilowatt full scale. I will drive it with the ISO transceiver through automatic ISO band decoder. Well, the internal power meter is calibrated according to Bird on 20 meters. Let me show. We see 1000 watts, same as here. The normal input power could be raised up to 60 watts. 60, maybe 65 will be okay. Let me show how it works, starting from 160 meters. Then CW, this is B. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Well, now I will show how protection system is working. At first I replace the 50 ohms dummy by 25 to represent SWR 2 to 1 on output. Then I will go to 20 meters in packet mode. If I try to transmit, high SWR protection will be enabled. To reset it, I have to switch off the amplifier and 50 volts power supply. Just a few seconds. But I can reduce the driving power to half. maximum. Let me show. It can operate with this SWR level. So if you are going to operate with a bed antenna, it's a good idea to reduce the power, but it's absolutely crazy idea 1000 watts without good antennas. Well, if I rise the power slightly, well, as you see, high SWR protection is enabled. Well, I switch off the amplifier and return the 50 ohms dummy. Then I can return the 60 watts to show that everything is okay. If I overdrive the amplifier occasionally, high power protection is enabled. Once again, I have to switch off the amplifier and 50 volts power supply just for a few seconds to reset the protection. Return the 60 slightly above. Okay, it's working. Well, if I change the band for 17 meters, it has the highest power on output and thus highest current slightly above 70 watts. High current protection along with the high power is enabled. Once again, I switch off, return the 60 watts, switch on the 50 volts, okay, it works. High current, it's better to use on 60 watts on 17 meters because of highest power and output. Okay, that's all.